Hello students, today we will write exercise 5.2 question number 2, do as directed. Number 1, subtract 73,247 from 4,23,678. So our minuend is 4,23,678 and subtrahend is 73,247. So first we will write 4,23,678 minus 73,247. So we will start from the ones place digit. 8 minus 7, 1. 7 minus 4, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 2 minus 7, 2 is smaller number compared to 7. So we can't able to subtract. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7 we will get 5. Now 3 here in second number there is no digit, so we will write here 0. So 3 minus 0 we will get 3. So our answer is 3,50,431. Now number 2, subtract 2,23,887 from 5,42,456. So here our minuend is 5,42,456 and subtrahend is 2,23,887. 5,42,456 minus 2,23,887. We have to start from the ones place digit. So 6 minus 7. 6 is a smaller number compared to 7. So we can't able to subtract. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 7 we will get 9. Now 4 minus 8 is also not possible. 4 is a smaller number. So we have to borrow from 4, hundreds place digit. So this 4 will become 3 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 8 we will get 6. Now at hundreds place 3 and 8. So 3 is also the smaller number compared to 8. We can't able to subtract. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. Now 13 minus 8 we will get 5. Now 1 minus 3 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 3 we will get 8. Now 3 minus 2, 1 and 5 minus 2, 3. So our answer is 3,18,569. Now number 3, subtract 5,68,925 from 96,44,283. So our minuend is here 96,44,283 and subtrahend is 5,68,925. So first we will write the minuend. 96,44,283 minus 5,68,925. So 3 minus 5 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 8. So 8 will become 7 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5 we will get 8. Now 7 minus 2 is possible? Yes, 7 is the greater number compared to 2. So we can able to subtract. So 7 minus 2 we will get 5. Now next at hundreds place 2 and 9. So 2 minus 9 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 9, 3. Now 3 minus 8 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 4. This 4 will become 3 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 8, 5. Now 3 minus 6 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and this 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Now 5 minus 5, 0 and this 9. Here no digits, so we will write here 0. So 9 minus 0, 9. So our answer is 90,75,358. Now number 4, subtract 4,83,465 from 9,57,253. So here our minuend is 9,57,253 and subtrahend is 4,83,465. So first we will write our minuend 9,57,253 minus 4,83,465. So we will start from ones place digit. So 3 minus 5 is not possible. No. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5 we will get 8. Now 4 minus 6 is possible. No. We have to borrow from 2. This 2 will become 1 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 6, 8. Now 1 minus 4 is possible. No. We have to borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 4 we will get 7. Now 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 8 is possible. No. We have to borrow from 9. So this 9 will become 8 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 8 we will get 7 and 8 minus 4 we will get 4. So our answer is 4,73,788. Now number 5. Subtract 3,32,925 from 6,55,437. So here our minuend is 6,55,437 and subtrahend is 3,32,925. So we will start from the ones place digit. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now hundreds place digit 4 and 9. But 4 is the smaller number compared to 9. So we have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 9 we will get 5. Now 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. Our answer is 3,22,512. Thank you.